This course uses economic history to try and understand the patterns of African development today. So many of the challenges that African countries still face, whether the weakness of state institutions or environmental challenges, the structure of their economies, all of these have very deep historical roots. So what we try to do in the course is understand where those came from and how they've shaped the experience of Africans over time. There's two really exciting things about teaching this course. One is that African economic history is one of the fastest growing areas of economic history research at the moment, and I like to update the course regularly to reflect that. And the second is we get a really great group of students taking this course. So some may have had previous experience working in Africa, others may have never taken African history before in their lives, but bring their own kind of context and specific histories, education, work history to the course. And so it means we have really interesting discussions in seminars, which kind of try to integrate all of that experience and diversity. In those seminars, we try to balance sort of big questions and big discussions about changes that affect all of sub-Saharan Africa with more specific discussions of countries and regions that reflect the kind of range of experiences across the continent as a whole. So African economies today are incredibly dynamic. Most have enjoyed strong economic growth since the middle of the 1990s. You have very rapid population expansion. You've got cultural exports that are increasingly well known, from Nollywood to fashion to music. And what we do in the course is try to place these in the sort of longer term historical trajectory and understand both where they came from and how history might shape some of the opportunities and risks going forward.